UK trials robot bricklayers to fix construction crisis. Robot bricklayers are coming to Britain. Yes, really. Developed by Dutch firm Monumental, these machines use two robotic arms to lay bricks and mortar at the same pace as a human, about 500 bricks in an hour's shift. But the key difference, they don't take tea breaks and can work through the night under supervision. With a shortage of 25,000 bricklayers across the UK, these robots could help construction firms keep up with government house building targets. Monumental has already proven the tech in the Netherlands, building everything from canal walls to house facades. Now they're teaming up with London-based contracting Galostar to trial the robots on British sites. The goal, see if they can handle UK standards and British weather. The machines can even lay bricks in decorative patterns, potentially bringing back the kind of detailed facades we haven't seen since Victoria times, but without the hefty labour costs. At around £1 per brick, these robots aren't necessarily cheaper than human, but they're consistent, programmable and always showing up. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimize workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.